Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at SportSitePro. This is a brand new cloud-based web application, and this tool is going to let you guys create an automated or self-updating sports news website with inbuilt done for you Amazon stores, and you monetize your website guys with Amazon products, which is really powerful strategy to make money online, right? This is actually a AI powered software, and with this tool you'll be able to target 3.5 billion sport fans. You know, this is a cloud-based application. That means you don't need to download this on your computer, and there's also comes with, you know, free hosting. So if you don't want to purchase a domain, don't want to pay for hosting, this also included in the software area, which is really cool, right? So this right here is the dashboard or the members area of SportSitePro. And before I'm going to show you the demo of this, how this works, let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out, surefire your success with SportSitePro, right? So here's my bonuses right here. I actually custom crafted all these bonuses guys, and I think all these bonuses can really help you guys out, right? So my bonus one is you get access guys to $300 CPA every day. Next bonus guys is you get access to $500 CPA every day. You get access. Next one is you get access to CPA coffee shop method. Next one is $200 cash hack. Next one is 2K CPA traffic jacker. The next one guys is 250 cash magnet. The next one is the commission glitch, 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox, pure profit payday, $100 CPA daily, commission profit hack, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, and the commission blueprint. So all of these are premium training, affiliate marketing training, or CPA affiliate marketing training that's gonna let you guys, you know, make money with different kind of strategies from CPA and affiliate marketing. All right, so next one is you get access as well to this is my, you know, YouTube ranking and optimization strategy, and this is the exact method that I use to get my videos eyeballs each and every day, and I'm going to show you how to do that right here. And then you get access guys to top traffic sources for affiliate marketers. You can also use this traffic source right here to drive traffic into your offer or to whatever offer that you wanted to promote. And then I'm going to give you access guys to my 6 secrets that will guarantee your results with affiliate marketing. This is really very powerful. I actually learned the secrets for 4 years, and I'm going to reveal all of those secrets with affiliate marketing inside of this guide right here, right? And then next one guys is a case study of me generating $70 over and over again from ClickBank using only free traffic. I'm going to show you guys the exact funnel that I use, the exact free traffic, and then I'm going to show you guys what product or offer that I promote in ClickBank to generate this kind of, you know, this kind of amount of results, right? And then I'm going to give you access guys to a case study of me generating $30 to $50 per day or over and over again using a set and forget free traffic strategy, which is really powerful. You can promote high ticket offers, low ticket offers, and this strategy guys will get you eyeballs and clicks into your offers on complete autopilot just by set it up once, and still be able to get clicks and eyeballs for the months to come, for the years to come, using this free traffic strategy, right? And then I'm gonna give you access guys to a software which is Twitix. That's gonna give you guys free traffic from Twitter, which is really powerful. And then I'm gonna give you access guys to Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is an affiliate marketing training. It also comes with free traffic and paid traffic training as well, and affiliate marketing training. Alright, so those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up SportSitePro through the link down in the description of this video. And by the way, I'm gonna give you access as well to Syndio. Syndio is an all-in-one email marketing software which can really help you guys out, surefire success with SportSitePro, because inside of SportSitePro you'll be able to collect leads or email addresses right here as your subscribers list. So you can import that list inside of your very own Syndio account. Syndio is a 3-in-1 email marketing software. This comes with Autoresponder automation tool, email marketing, SMS marketing, or social media marketing right here. right? You can create unlimited list, you can send out unlimited emails, you know, really powerful. You can, you know, create or send or broadcast unlimited SMS message right here, and then you can broadcast or you can automate your Facebook, you know, account or Twitter account to get you, you know, high quality traffic using Syndio. Just like I said, Syndio is an all-in-one or a 3-in-1 email marketing tool that can really help you guys out when it comes to getting results with affiliate marketing. Alright, and yeah, so those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up SportSitePro through the link down in the description of this video, and when you guys click that link, it's gonna bring you guys to this page right here. So this is actually the sales page of SportSitePro. The headline says one-click app auto-create self-updating sports news website with a built-in done-for-you Amazon store preloaded with sports products in less than 60 seconds. Alright, just watch this video right here and read information on the sales page that we can have an informed decision, something that can really help you guys out. Alright, and if you're the first 100 person to, if you are in the first, you know, 100 buyer to get this, you also get access, guys, to, you know, a free gift, which is a 30 reseller license. This were 1,997. Alright, and by the way, this also comes with 30 days money back guarantee right here. Alright, and there's no monthly payment. Alright, so let me show you inside of the dashboard what you can expect inside of SportSitePro. So basically, once you log in into your account, this is the first thing that you're gonna see right here. You'll be able to, you know, click on this build a new site right here. So when I click on build a new site, you wanted to build a new website, and you have two options right here. You can use a built-in hosting and, you know, subdomain within SportSitePro. If you don't want to use your custom domain, or if you don't want to host your domain into your hosting, then you can just use this free domain and free hosting right here. But if you wanted to create your, if you wanted to purchase custom domain, you wanted to do that, then there's an option right here to do that. All you have to do is put that domain name right here, and you're gonna need to download this template right here, and you're gonna need to install this plugin into your WordPress website. You're gonna need to download the plugin, install the plugin, and download the theme and install the theme. And don't worry, guys, you know, if you're not a tech person, there is a training right here on how to do that, how to download the plugin, how to install the plugin, how to purchase domain, how to set up a WordPress website inside right here. So this one right here, how to set up WordPress website, how to set up your custom domain. You know, they have this, you know, training, guys, on how to use the system, you know, to get your results, right? And then this is where you view your website right here. When you click on website, when you click on manage websites right here, this is where you view all your website. By the way, you can create multiple website right here. Right, so you can, you know, add a new website right here. You can click on add new website. Just like I said, you can use their custom, you can use the free hosting and free domain, or you can use your own custom domain and, you know, host your website into your own server or hosting company. Alright, and when you guys view your website, this is where you view your website. When you click on this right here, it's gonna bring you guys to your website, which you can customize, right? So it's not that fixed yet. Let's try this one right here. Yeah, so this is one of your website looks like. And by the way, guys, you can customize this one, right? This is where you collect those leads and email addresses right here. And by the way, you can customize this one with your image right here, and all these settings right here. You can customize this right here. Right, so guys, this is an automated website, you know, a self-updating website, which means you don't need to worry about updating the website. It's all automated. Alright, and this is where you would monetize your website, guys. Click on this affiliate settings right here. But just like I said, you can customize your website, guys, the look and feel of your website by clicking on this website settings right here. Let's say you wanted to edit this website, click on edit this website. You can customize the logo right here, the Facebook URL, the Instagram URL, Twitter, everything is customizable. And you can also add in like a fab icon of your website right here, add your logo, and then manage the slider. This is where you edit the slider of your website. So let's say you wanted to edit the slider of this website. Alright, so this right here is the slider of your website, and you can edit that right here, right? you can customize this title right here, this list right here, and this image right here. If you want to upload your own image of that slider, you can also do that. You basically upload an image from your computer. Alright, so this one right here, so this is the image, so you can do that right here. Alright, click on submit and you'll be able to customize your slider. And this is where you make money, guys, by monetizing your website with Amazon. And this is where you put your Amazon affiliate ID or Amazon associate account right here. Now if you don't have an Amazon associate account, you have this guide right here. We click on this link right here, it's gonna open up this document right here, be able to create your account, set up your Amazon account, and get your affiliate ID. That way you can monetize your website and make money with your website, right? And then if you wanted to create your own blog, this is where you set up your blog right here. Create a blog if you wanted to do that, and this is where you manage all your articles right here. And you can also further monetize your website using this ads manager right here. If you wanted to create an advertisement banner, you can also do that right here. So let's say you wanted to put a banner into your homepage, you wanted to put a banner into your sidebar, you can also do that right here. And then advertisement using script code, if you wanted to advertise using like a Google AdSense, you can also put your Google AdSense code right here if you wanted to do that, which is really cool. Alright, so and then they have this subscribers list right here. This is where you collect those email addresses. So just like the one that I showed you a while ago, you'll be able to customize that pop-up right here, and you'll be able to collect that email addresses. And this is where you would do it, and this is where you view all your email addresses right here, all your leads, all your subscribers. And then you can import all these leads right here, guys, using Excel right here or CSV, or you can just copy and paste this into your email marketing software or into the into this Syndio account, which I'm gonna give you as my another bonus if you wanted to use email marketing. If you wanted to make money, guys, monetizing your leads right here, then you can use this Syndio to all you're gonna do is import your leads using Excel or CSV right here, and import those leads inside of this software, which is really powerful. And you don't need to pay for a monthly payment for this, guys, and you get access to a lifetime update, lifetime software without any monthly payment. All right, so yeah, those are all of the things that you can expect inside of SportSitePro Pro. They have this bonuses right here, and they also have this upgrades if you wanted to consider upgrading your account. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye, love you. Mwah.